Hi everyone, Norman here. Today I want to show you how to join in a new color on the purl side so it won't be visible at all here on the right side and there are no loose stitches. Because I showed you guys how to do the twist and weave, but so many people ask me, well Norman, how on earth are you going to do it on the wrong side? So here is how. So here is how I do twist and weave on the purl side. So I pick my new color, the normal way or any way you like, and then I enter the knitting needle into the first stitch on the left needle purlwise, or rather as if to purl. And then I take my new tail and place it here in between the two working needles. And then I bring up my old tail and cross it, cross it with the new tail. So I wrap it around once basically, or twist it around once, and then I wrap my new tail here around my knitting needle as if to purl, and then I bring up the new tail, wrap it around the knitting needle once, pull down, and then here, see, you have a little stitch on your knitting needle and you pull that through. And then you simply pull on these two tails here. Just pull on it to tighten things up. And then you can simply continue purling and you will have a very stable first stitch here. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. And then as before, tighten up. This is the important bit, and then you can simply continue purling across. If you don't want to weave in the tail, you can weave it in as you go. So with every stitch that you make, or rather purl, you wrap the tail here around once, and this will trap it here. You can see this here on the wrong side, and you won't have to weave it in later on. And what I like so much about this method is, so with a lot of joining methods, the first and the last stitch of the new color always end up loosey-goosey, but here with this method the stitches are reasonably stable, and here as you knit through that stitch it doesn't wear out. So once you pull tight here on the wrong side, the transition here, as you can see, is almost invisible. Anyway, that's how I join in a new color here on the purl side. Comment below if you have any questions, and as always, happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.